I don't know what kind of reaction or in had to the food.
No problem with it, like the mere fact that I smell it.
Is that what I say?
Me no know with it.
We're on YouTube and we are back with a very rushed video.
Yes. So we're on our way to the restaurant now, which is Dining with Curvy. We'll leave a mix up when we see it in the Get Ready With Me video. So we're late because we had a reservation for 2. It is now 3:40 something. Yeah, so we're well late. But we get to understand, so whether or not you have a reservation, they can go in because me call, Shadika call.
We get 2 reservations and it still don't matter. The moment they try well trick me about a week in advance and all them stuff here. Rubbish.
So yeah, we're on our way now. So when we reach, we know see what going on.
Stressed out very much, but at least my face is cute.
She's stressed out because me go them have to put me face down because me home.
Or in a business.
Oh, stress. You can stress out at Jamaica. Listen to me, be late. I want to see it.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to the place. The place well empty. I know them their beef so strong. It looks so nice when you smile.
Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me, baby. Just a kiss goodnight, baby.
No, I'm saying not in the line. Love the look, honestly, like the makeup and then the hair, which I never planned to wear. Yeah, it was a good mix. Like when you sit down, all of the red probably would have still looked good, but I mean, I got the ring, but it never ready. It never ready for this. The elastic one was too loose. I mean, it's never ready. Alright, so what we're starting with is appetizers. I want the wings. Yeah, maybe for appetizers, what I like for the wings. I may have a pasta. I think I would do I think I'm gonna do this. This.
Cocktails, this
strawberry. This nice. spot. Very nice spot. People, so we kind of pack up now. Orin, I don't know what kind of reaction Orin had to the food, but we are going to give a second chance at the house. I'm kind of full. I didn't have a problem with my food.
No problem with it, like the mere fact that I smell it.
So I'm saying?
I don't know how we do it. It's not sit right now. I don't know how we do it.
So I get a second try at the house. But guys, you know, we want to give a review in our next video, so subscribe if you have not already. Just go and enjoy the rest of the process right now. Alright guys, so we're done with Curvy Diva right now, right? We finished dining. I didn't have a problem with it. It was good. Orion have mixed reviews with certain things. So, you know, follow up for the review later in the next video. So subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be giving a review probably when we reach in tonight and post it probably the following Wednesday, or if this is on a Wednesday, we're gonna post it on the Sunday. Yes guys.
So yes guys, we have made it to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to our small family.
Yes, growing, ever growing
family. So yeah, respect for all of those who watched it and enjoyed it, and you know, who's coming back for more.
I'm gonna give a quick big up to Kimon who served us. I'm gonna give her a next big up in the review, but I'm gonna give her a big up on this one as well.
Kimon did a good
she
job.
did a great job, definitely. But guys, I'm really full, me feel nice, me feel happy. My makeup still look nice. So Shana, do be good here, girl. But anyways,
never say Shadi kind of makeup before, don't guys?
but anyways guys, this is the end of this video. As we said, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and remember people, watch the ads.
Watch the ads.
Alright.
Alright people. Bye guys.